This is example 64.2. We want to write this as a simple fraction. So we have a simple fraction, a over x, plus a complex fraction, 4 over 1 plus b over x. 4 over 1 plus b over x is complex because it has a fraction inside a fraction. So we need to deal with that first. We're going to take that complex fraction and we're going to look at the denominator, 1 plus b over x. We're going to add that together by getting a common denominator, which will change the 1 to x over x. X over x plus b over x is going to be x plus b over x. So now we have combined the terms of the denominator, and we are going to take that denominator and flip it upside down, take the reciprocal, and we are going to multiply the whole fraction by that reciprocal, x over x plus b over x over x plus b. Top and bottom are being multiplied by that reciprocal. And so what's going to happen is the denominator, the big denominator, is going to cancel out because a number times its reciprocal is just 1. And then we're going to multiply the 4 times x over x plus b. So that's going to be 4x over x plus b. So we have simplified the complex fraction, and now we need to go ahead and add that a over x that we left behind in the beginning. So we've got a over x plus what we just simplified, 4x over x plus b. To add these, we need a common denominator, which is going to be x times x plus b. And so we have to multiply that second fraction by x over x, and the first fraction by x plus b over x plus b. And so the denominator is going to be x times x plus b. On the top, we're going to have ax plus ab when we distribute that a. And then we're going to have plus 4x squared when we multiply 4x by x. And that is our answer. Okay, now we want to add these two fractions, and we need to find a common denominator. But if we pay close attention, we notice that the denominators are opposites. X minus 3. So positive x minus 3 is the opposite of positive 3 minus x. So if we could multiply that denominator on the right by negative 1, it would look exactly like the denominator on the left. What we can do is we can rewrite this instead of the first fraction plus the second fraction. We can write the first fraction minus the opposite of the second fraction, because to add is the same thing as subtracting the opposite. And so we're going to take that little minus sign, that second one, and move it into that denominator of the second fraction. And now we can see that the opposite of 3 minus x is just x minus 3. And so we've got 4x plus 5 over x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 3. So when we add that and we make sure that we distribute that minus sign in front of the second fraction, 4x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3 over x minus 3. And so 4x minus 2x is 2x, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2x plus 8 over x minus 3.